Hey guys, Sergeant Pepper 1138 here. Just thought I'd make a video about the computer I built, gosh, I think in February. I think that was the one that I put the videos up of me getting the parts to build this thing. Let's see here. Yeah, Zeranizer actually kind of inspired me to do a video because he did one on his the building of his computer actually, which I never got around to because I was really busy with school and everything. But I figure I'm better late than never, I guess. Let's see here. What I started off with was a Cooler Master Storm Scout. Excellent case. I definitely highly recommend it. It has a plexiglass side like most gaming computers. Then it has vents and mounts for the 220mm fans, which is pretty cool if you want extra cooling if you need it. I don't think I do. Mine runs fairly cool. Let's see here. Has an eSATA port. Has the microphone and headphone jack. I don't use those because I bought a different sound card, and we'll get to that in a second. Has 4 USB ports on the front. Power switch. And right here is the button to turn on and off the LEDs. I generally have them off. I just turn them on for the video. I don't really need them on. I mean, I don't really care. There's the Storm Scout logo. Has a fan up on top, which I believe is 140mm. Pretty nice sized fan up there. So then on the front it has a 140mm fan as well. Let's pop the side off, that way we'll get a better look on the inside. Okay, with the case open, let's start off with the processor. The processor is an AMD Phenom 2, the 955 Black Edition, 3.2 GHz quad core, with an aftermarket Cooler Master 92mm CPU cooler on it. I wanted to change it because I just felt, hey, cooler is better. Anyways, RAM. What we have here is some Corsairs. It's 4 2GB sticks of DDR3. It's the XMS3 series DHX. Let's see here. Video card. It's the MSI Radeon 5750 HD, 1GB. For the sound card, it's a Sound Blaster XFI Titanium Championship Series. What I loved about this sound card was one of the wires right here goes all the way up to this tray unit. What I sometimes do a lot of audio recording and with using RCA cables, so this helps out a lot right here. Then it also has a microphone volume, which I find extremely helpful. Maybe if you have a microphone that's plugged into this. Has a volume control, which I don't really use very much, but whatever. I love the look of the case, by the way. It's probably the nicest case I think I've ever used. Well, here's one reason why. If you want to change like say for instance put a new DVD-ROM in, click that, slide out to your unit, unplug it, plug the new unit in, slide it in, click it, and you're done. That's it. That's easy. That's as easy. I don't think it could get any easier than that. Let's see here. Sound card. Oh yeah. I decided on the I wanted to get a kind of a beefy. I had a 600 watt. I think a 600 watt power supply in my last one. Didn't want to go for the full 1000 watt. That's just a little much for. I mean, I don't have that much stuff plugged into it. It's a Antec Earthwatts 750 watt power supply. Seems to work just fine. It's modular for the most part. It's got more plugs and I do need to do some wire management down here, so it's a little bit of a rat's nest, but not too bad. There's nothing really tangled up, but I need to do a little bit of work on it. And the DVD-ROMs are SATA. The hard drives are two 500 gigabyte Seagates SATA, and then it's a 1 terabyte Samsung. Do want to upgrade a few more? Maybe get one more, like maybe a 2 terabyte. I'd like to get that. But by the way, the reflections from a big fluorescent light that I have in here, because our lighting in our house just pretty much sucks. So when I have this big fluorescent light, so it just makes it a little easier to film with. This right here I just bought, actually. It's a 1 terabyte Seagate, and I was hoping they would match because I got this on Black Friday for about $60. So it's not a horribly great deal, but it's not bad. This is a 1.5 terabyte. I don't remember how much I paid for it because I bought it a couple months ago. There's my Logitech C500 webcam, which it's not bad. It's not HD, but it's okay. I mean, it works fine for a webcam. Those are my matching Acer monitors. They're H243Hs with my my Fantasia hat on top. And there's my my Christmas Story desk lamp that my brother bought me a couple of years ago. I use it like all the time. And my my ginormous 88-key M-Audio keyboard that I use every now and then. I noodle around on it. So I'll just put this bad boy back on, and that's pretty much it. The case, if any of you have any thoughts about building a computer, I highly recommend the Cooler Master Storm Scout. It's an amazingly nice case, especially for the money. It's about, I think, $80, $85, maybe $90. I don't know, various prices are through various vendors, but I highly recommend it. It's a great case, easy to build with. Only drawback is it doesn't have a motherboard tray, which is kind of a bummer, but that's about the only drawback I can find. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.